This is your practice work from yesterday. Okay, this is multi-step equations, right? What's that, Joey? All right, number 5. Again, I like to put a dotted line where the equal sign is. Help me keep things straight. And we have to, Burgess. Dante's not here. Neither one of these guys are. Sorry. All right, I have to isolate the variable term. I have to isolate the 8R before I can isolate the R. So I'm going to add 29 to both sides. You got it, Troy? 1.10b. Okay. These add up to 0. I'm going to bring my 8R down. I get 8R on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, negative 29 plus 29 is 0. Divide both sides by the coefficient. No, you don't divide by shit, you divide by 8. Okay, so R equals 0. Questions? Ladies, quiet down. All right, number 6. Quiet. You guys are so annoying. Okay, I have to get the minus 5n by itself, so I'm going to undo negative 15 by adding 15 to both sides. Yeah, you got to turn your music off while I'm talking. You know that. Bring down the minus 5n. 15 plus 15, Burgess, quiet. 30. I have to get the n by itself. I have multiplication between the coefficient negative 5 and n, so I'm going to divide both sides by negative 5. N equals, careful, negative 6, right? Good, Trey. All right. We got to stop with the profanity. Thank you. Huh? I know. Thank you very much. That's fantastic. All right. I have to get the negative m by itself. So I'm going to get that term by itself first. I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. Where do you want to go? Are you going to finish your homework? Let me finish this problem and I'll write you a pass. If you want to go to the library and do it off of the Chromebook, I got no problem with that. Yes, if you want to go, if you're quiet, as soon as you're, I know, when you get loud, that's when I got to do so. All right, negative 12 plus negative 12. Negative 24. Tracy, you're going to the library. Stay here. You're going to the library. No, both of you cannot be in the hallway at the same time. All right, multiply both sides by what? 10. Very good. 10 and 10. Because the 10s cancel the 1, I get my negative. Burgess. I get my negative m. Negative 24 times 10 is negative 240. And you could either multiply or divide by negative 1. Okay, all you're going to do is just change the signs, right? So I get a positive m and a positive 240. Questions, comments, concerns? Okay, let's do number 16. The quotient, what does quotient mean again? Division. So the division of x and 4. So you can either write it like this, x divided by 4. I would probably write it as a fraction. X divided by 4 minus 6. So I'm going to minus 6 equals 15. So I have to solve this. I got x over 4 minus 6 equals 15. All right, I'm going to do my dotted line. I have to undo a minus 6, so I'm going to add 6. X divided by 4 equals 21. How do I get rid of that denominator 4? I think so. No, do it here. All right, how do I get rid of that denominator 4? I'm dividing by 4. Yeah, I'm going to multiply by both sides by 4. Good. So the 4's cancel out. I get x, and 21 times 4, 84. If you need a calculator, they're on the back wall, Joey. When Burgess gets back, yep. And what other one? 17. Is it really? Now, when you see the word sum, I would use parentheses. The sum of 5 times x. So I'm going to take 5 times x and 2, so I'm going to plus 2, is equal to 32. Now, this time I didn't need the parentheses. That's all right. So I got 5x plus 2 equals 32. Now I solve for x. I'm not a big homeschool fan. I just, when I get homeschool students in the classroom that transfer, I find that they're way behind in content. Yeah, yeah. Okay, subtract 2 from both sides. I get 30. Divide by the coefficient 5. It could be. And I get x equals 6. Okay, last one. 20. Okay, word problem. Carl watched half of a movie and the 5 minutes of previews. If he watched 75 minutes so far, how long is the entire movie? This is the question is always going to be our variable, right? So x is going to equal how long the movie is. Well, half of the movie, so x is the movie, half of it. So you could either do it like x divided by 2, that's half, or 1/2 x. and the 5 minutes of preview. So we're going to have to add in that 5 minutes that he watched. So we're going to add in the 5 minutes. And he watched how much? So that's our total. Now we just solve for x. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. I get x over 2 going to equal 70. Then I'm going to multiply both sides by, yeah, because I'm dividing by 2, so I have to undo it. 2. Good, Burgess. So x is going to equal 70 times 2, 140 minutes long. Yeah, about right. Okay, questions on 1.10b. Can you what? I'm going to put it on Google Classroom as soon as I get time. Same with